AI replacing developers? The headline got it backwards. Forget the panic. In 2026, companies are actually hiring more developers. Why? Because AI creates a ton of code and a ton of mess. This is the real story you need to hear. After the initial panic and layoffs, an undeniable truth emerged. AI generates massive amounts of code, but it's often a chaotic and untested mess. AI can write code, but humans are still needed to make it work. So, is AI the villain or just plain incompetent? Neither. In the right hands, AI is incredibly powerful. Stats prove it. AI has slashed delivery times. But understand this, speed without understanding is dangerous. AI can churn out code at lightning speed. What it cannot do is understand your business, your users, or the long term consequences of a bad architectural decision. Remember tools like Devon AI, marketed as developer replacement. They crumbled once they hit the reality of legacy code, unclear requirement, and real world edge cases. The shift is undeniable. Developers are not being replaced. Your role is evolving. Your value is not just writing code anymore, it's knowing which code needs to exist and why. AI operates with a limited context, but you don't. AI cannot talk to the stakeholders, but you can. AI cannot reason about crucial trade offs like speed versus memory, scalability versus cost, or short term fixes versus long term stability. But you can make those decisions. Therefore, the developers who thrive will be those with deep understanding of system design, architecture, domain knowledge, and real world trade offs. AI is not replacing you. It is becoming your most powerful assistant. You, the human, remains the architect, the critical reviewer, and the final decision maker. And while some traditional roles might change, new ones are exploding into existence. Some roles like vibe coders and prompt engineers were not even there a few years ago. So, no, AI is not here to steal your jobs. It is here to ruthlessly separate shallow coding from true engineering. If you focus on building deep understanding, AI will not just multiply your impact, it will secure your future.